The BAGSMART 17.3-inch rolling laptop bag is designed for effortless maneuverability, featuring a superior handle and durable rubber wheels that glide smoothly across various terrains. This versatile rolling briefcase serves as a mobile office with a dedicated padded compartment that accommodates laptops up to 17.3 inches, along with ample space for office essentials. For added security, the bag is equipped with a lockable zipper and a padded laptop compartment that offers protection against both theft and physical damage. Convenience is key with this laptop bag, as it includes multiple zippered pockets for easy access to pens, notebooks, and other personal items without the need to dig through the main compartments. The BAGSMART rolling laptop bag is perfect for a variety of travel types, including business trips and overnight stays, making it a practical choice for professionals on the go. Crafted from water-resistant and wear-resistant materials, this bag ensures durability and protection against the elements, providing peace of mind during travel.